Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to delete temp files on PC or on your Windows PC or Windows laptop. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to delete temp files on your laptop or Windows PC, just press the Windows arrow together to open the command prompt. And once the command prompt opens, then go ahead and type temp and then click on OK. Hang on. Click on continue to gain access to the temp folder on your PC. Then you should see all your temp file like this. What you want to do is go ahead and highlight all the files you have in the temp and then right click. Then go ahead and select delete. Click on do this for all items, then click on continue. Then you should see this is going to delete all the temp files you have on your PC and then you are good. And that is it. So that's exactly how to delete all temp files in laptop on Windows 10 or Windows 11. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.